Stop now, stop.
Cut him off at the next intersection. I'll flush him out.
He's not getting away this time.
We can't afford to let him escape.
Hello, everybody. Today, we are going to learn how to create a video based on a movie script. We are going to use our ultimate text-to-video prompt generator. First, we will upload our movie script. Here, I have an example, which is a real movie script. I split it into 3 parts. I also added character details and descriptions, as well as location descriptions, and scene names and titles in order. I think there are about 100 scenes in this script. Then I asked ChatGPT to read the script and provide prompts for me. I asked it to start with the first scene. As you can see, it found the first scene, which is Leonid escaping Buenos Aires. It started describing what it's about. Then it started adding more details. Once finished, it also added dialogues, since some scenes have dialogue. It added everything it found. It then generated an image prompt, which you can click to generate an image. This is useful if you want to see what kind of shot you are going to get. It also generates a text-to-image prompt. After completing the first scene, it asked if I wanted to break it into shots, since we are building a video. We need different shots. ChatGPT provided about 5 or 6 shots for the first scene, 5 shots, to be precise. Then I copied all of it and pasted it in Minimax. You can see that I have already done a few here. These are all based on previous generations. Going back here, it started providing every scene with the exact number of shots needed. In some cases, like the second scene where Leonid is a kid in his room, I decided I needed 2 more shots. I asked, "You made 5 shots. Give me 2 more." It provided shot 6 and shot 7. Now I will show you how to generate one of these and see how it looks. Sometimes it won't respect the character details, adding or removing some information. You need to check this before posting on Minimax. In this case, it says 10-year-old messy brown hair, simple clothes. Simple clothes will not generate the right result. It will just show random clothes. So I added blue to make it blue, simple clothes. Let's do this. I will copy this, go here, and paste it. I think I've done this already. Yes, it's different. I added blue simple clothes and didn't touch anything else. I click Generate. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to generate the video. You can see that I've already generated one of these, an over-the-shoulder shot. It's mostly correct. The prompt is correct and everything seems fine. Here's another one. It looks like the same character. And here's another one at a different time, the same character. But here, I added blue and it made it blue. But this one is a different time. And here is another shot. This is also interesting. As you can see, ChatGPT generated very accurate, brain-it text-to-video ready prompts. You can also use these prompts to generate images. You can use it in Minimax, Runway, or Krea AI. Let me go back and check. There it is. This one is a slow zoom-in shot. The character is watching what's happening outside. There is some sort of revolution happening outside, with army tanks and war machines. It takes around 5 minutes, which is fine. I also tried image-to-video generation. In this case, I generated the image first, then uploaded it. I will show you how to do this. For this, I go to a website, blinkshot.io, and let's say I copy all this and paste it here to see what it generates. These are the books. Let's try another one. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's the city. Great. As you can see, these are not quite ready. We can also use Krea AI. Let me open Krea AI. Let's see if I can generate here. I think it will allow me to generate or sign up. Good. Now I will go here, select one of the last ones we did, choose the screen size, add the prompt, and click Generate. As you can see, it looks even better. I will download this image as I like it the most. Then I come here, drop the image, copy the prompt, and click. Always check the enhanced prompting icon here. Let's see what comes out. It started generating. I would like to generate the book shot too. Let's see. On Minimax, you can generate only 3 videos at a time. We have to wait. Let me generate one more on Krea AI and compare it, as it's interesting to see. I copied the prompt. Oh, cool. I will do this later. I've generated a few more shots for you. The character consistency is pretty close, though it's hard to keep it the same every time. But as you can see, it's maintaining the colors, structure, and grading. Everything looks very similar. This one has a bit of a glitch. There are 2 people, but that's fine. We can cut that frame. The one generated on Krea AI, the little boy's shot, looks very good. I generated the image, then used it to generate the animation. If you want to build your videos using image to video, I think it's even better, because the results are good. You can keep using the prompts and generate similar images, use character references, face references, and get consistent, high-quality results. That's it for today. Please follow our YouTube channel. We have a lot of tutorials for you, short videos that show how to create amazing work using ChatGPT and other text-to-video or image generators. That's it for today. Bye-bye.